All right, guys, I'm just going to make a quick update for you leading into Friday, into the crypto summit, what I'm expecting to happen here for BTC and, for that matter, the crypto markets. I got this trend line built here. I'm just getting right into this, guys. I got three main structures I want to bring to your attention here today, bigger picture. Now, focusing on the 3 hour, the 1 hour time frame, just right up in here. If you watch my previous videos, I'm looking for some type of a flat to come down and then come back up. What occurs after this flat is still up for debate for me, but the flat nonetheless is my primary situation on a more immediate time frame. Now, I had this yellow marker here for Friday for the crypto summit. It seems like it's most likely to be a sell the event situation. It might be short-lived. I'm just going to sketch this out for you guys right now before we go into the real analysis, the crux of it. From the bottom here, I got a corrective wave. And then after this top out, it looks impulsive down. I can only suspect we are going to correct up to the crypto summit, something like this. Expect some down movement tomorrow, leading into Friday. You know, pump into Friday, little bit of juice, and then dump the crypto summit. Take out this low. Let's do it. And now at that point, I will have a nice little ABC wave here. So we get a correction up, correction down that takes out the low. And guys, you don't need me to tell you there's so much liquidity above this trend line. So many touches on this trend line. How many times can we get there and not break through? There's so much liquidity built up. Guys, there's liquidity above these highs right here. So much liquidity. I mean, this is where it's at right now. This is where it's at. Looking at some heat maps, there's still some stuff down here I want to go take before we head up here and take this stuff. Now, let me sketch this back in for you. That's just my mindset going into Friday. I want to see, this finish its correction here. And then come down for a flat, and then I would expect an impulsive leg up to come and actually take out this trend line with some force. It's going to look quite bullish in my opinion. Now what happens after this, I'm still on the fence about. Alright, couple of things can happen, but either way, I'm locked in on the low-hanging fruit, which is the more immediate price action. Guys, this can all go to shit come tomorrow. This is just my trading plan. I'm currently in no trades right now. But, if you watch my video from yesterday over in Discord, we did long this entire move up. Showed them exactly what I was doing here. Here was the original trade idea with the long. I'll show you the long right here. Boom. Kind of put two entries in. Stop loss below low. And we ended up taking this all the way up, TPing along the way, but taking it all the way up to 88.7, which we closed the entire position of last night. Now we're sitting here at 90,200. You can say, Alex, oh, you could have held it for a little bit longer. Come on, guys, come on. We closed right there. Haven't put in any more trades. Had this little pump up, letting it do its thing. I'm not worried about these little moves right there. Happy I got that juice yesterday. And waiting on the next opportunity, which I think there are going to be quite a few to come here. Guys, if you want to pop in Discord, it's the free Discord. It's pinned in the first comment down below. Check out the free Discord. I got a free Elliott Wave bootcamp in there. You can learn Elliott Wave just for free. It's video modules, 3 hours long. And then check out the premium option. You'll see upgrade here within the Discord. There's a 4-day free trial of the premium if you want to give it a shot. I post all my trades in there. We just got done with like a 4 or 5 hour live stream today. Really want you guys to learn. That's how you learn in the premium Discord. Much more in there included as well. So this is my immediate trading plan. Now heading into, if this flat develops and it actually plays out, a couple of things can happen here. There's three main scenarios, three main situations, which I'm going to go over for you right now. So stick with me so you are in the loop and you are not confused when these things happen. You're ready for them. All right. Now for this, we can zoom out a tad. All right, so 3 main scenarios. I'm not even going to entertain a absolute blow off top. I'm not entertaining this right now, guys. I'm just not doing it. If it happens, it happens. For Bitcoin, I'm not entertaining it. For ETH and for alts, I could see that happening. But for BTC, I see something else shaking out. I told you guys in my last video, probably if we go and attack the highs, it's going to be a quick sweep, and it's going to be in the form of an ending diagonal, like so. Ending diagonal is 5 waves, which I will map out for you here. And this is just one of 3 possible structures that I'm really eyeing up. So stick with me for all 3 of these, please. Please. So I don't want to hear you say I didn't tell you so, okay? Now this is one possible structure. This is the bullish structure. This is the take out the all-time high structure. This is my primary idea. Now in this case, as you can see, essentially we are just serious distribution up here. Serious distribution. You can essentially say, hey, this whole thing's a range. Serious distribution, ready to enter an extreme bear market situation. I think that's what's coming. I think that's what's coming, guys. If it's not coming right now, you know, top could be in, and we're going to go over that in a second. But if the top is not in, we're going for one more hit. Big picture, I have 1, 2, all this is 3 into 4, and then ending diagonal for 5. That looks good. It looks real good as a finishing wave. I could see something like this playing out in XRP as well. I'm not going to go over the XRP chart, but we did hit that pretty heavily over in the premium Discord today. Ethereum, I could see getting a little more bullish, a little more vertical, rather than this little pushy move. Neither here nor there. We're locked in on BTC, right? So this is my primary idea. This is idea number 1. I've seen people say, oh, Alex, you can't have a flat and an ending diagonal. You can't have a lot of things nowadays, guys. I will see an impulse up, correction, impulse up, correction, impulse up, and that's an ending diagonal. I've seen it in crypto many of times. We're in leveraged markets. We are in algorithmic trading. We are in 2025. This is not 1930, whatever, when Elliott wave was born. This is a new day and age, and you see things that are out of the ordinary, aren't by the book. You know what I'm saying? So yeah, I have seen where flats are part of an ending diagonal. Sue me. All right. Now, option number 2. Option number 2, still going to have this beginning flat here. So we have the beginning flat as start of an ending diagonal. But if we are not going to go towards all-time high, and we are going to really entertain the idea that, boom, all-time high is in, it peaked, it's done. And we are in the start of a bear market, guys. There's nothing wrong with that. As you can see, it looks fine. 1, 2, 3. This is 4, and this is a quick little 5. Done. I can call it that and sleep well at night. I really can. All right. I am not afraid or afraid to say that all-time high is in, and I'm ready for that to be the case. Now, how would this play out here if all-time high is in? I'll tell you. Before I get into that, guys, I do leverage trade, and I urge you to leverage trade with the bear market approaching. How else are you going to make money? You're going to be buying spot in a bear market? Probably not. You're not making money, right? You need to leverage trade. I only leverage trade pretty much. I hold some spot, but mainly leverage trade. Blowfin is my main exchange. They're no KYC. You just sign up with your email. You're ready to trade. You can use them in the United States, wherever you're at. I have the best promo available for you guys. It's the 100K ladder challenge for Blowfin. Take advantage of this, please. I told you I'm pushing it every video. It's good through March 17th. You need to take advantage of this, guys. You'd be stupid not to. $450 deposit bonus on just a $1,000 deposit, all the way up to $100,000 in bonuses. This, I mean, you're never going to find this anywhere. You also get VIP 1 trading fees, which you usually have to do 10 million trading volume for the month. You'll get it automatically. You get all that with that link pinned in the first comment down below. That's Blowfin. I also use BitUnix. Got you some goodies over at BitUnix as well. But Blowfin is where the craziest promo is for chart junkies right now. I hooked you guys up with that ladder promo. You will not find that anywhere else. Go take advantage of it, please. Free freaking money. All right. Let's go over the bearish scenarios here. Bearishly speaking, if all-time high is in, we may hold this trend line. I'm expecting to hold this trend line a little bit here. And be putting in a leading diagonal. That's right. Instead of this ending diagonal that we're talking about, I'm looking at a leading diagonal. Now in this case, you have, we'll say 1, 2, 3, 4, coming down for 5. It's going to be corrective, right? Wherever this tops out at, you know, come up for Crypto Summit, down, right? Something like that. That's 5. Then I will be looking for an A, B. Yes, we are taking this trend line. Yes, we are taking liquidity up here in A, B, C. But we will not take out all-time high. We will not take out all-time high. And we will look for a vicious 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 wave impulse to the downside. And guys, the scary thing is here, if I'm going to be so real with you right now. I'm going to show you one more variation coming up, so stick with me. But the scary thing is, you know, that's our corrective leg right there. But if we are entering a serious bear market, we might just get a little correction down here and then go down for some more and put in a big WXY. This might be very, very extended. Very, very extended. Let me just change the color on this so you guys can clearly see. I will do green. All right. And this wouldn't surprise me at all. I mean, I have this coming down to 0. I mean, like, let's be real about this. I'm not going to go to them down to 0. Something like so. It may be coming down to like, shit, I mean, 20, 35K, 20K. You can do that no problem, right? But still, this is way in the future. Immediately, I'd be looking for this corrective move to the downside, right? Now, instead of this being a leading diagonal, we can, and here's the final idea I'm going to bring to your attention. We could be finished with a WXY. That is finished. Done. That's a correction that is finished. And now we are going to actually put in this flat, still come up, same situation immediately. Nothing is changing here for me. This is the same thing that I've been saying, even for the bullish case. Correction up, correction down, impulsive leg to the upside. And right there is just a correction. And we're going to go into a double correction again, something like that. Boom. All right. In this case, all-time high doesn't break. And I still have the shape right here, right here, right here. All right. Make this green. And that's just another idea. Another idea. Where we correct down. And then, hey, from there, maybe find some support here. Have a little consolidation situation. Look like we're holding this as support. And then we come down again. And we still hit our 30K, 25K targets with WXY. Because the fact of the matter is, guys, if you think this is not possible, you live in La La Land. You live in La La Land. It is very possible. Is it my primary scenario? No. But I'm fully aware that this can happen, guys. And let me show you something. Let me show you something. Show you a little something. Looking at the entire structure, I am looking for that move to happen. Whether it is right now and we're in the middle of it, or whether we are going to put in one last ending diagonal high and we're going to get it later, guys. I'm still predicting this move. All right? As I look at this, I have 5 waves that are completed or close to being completed. 1, 2, 3, 4. Is this 5 right here done, or do we have one more leg up? And from there, even if I go on the weekly time frame, does this not look like some kind of 1, 2, 3, 4, 5? It's just a scary look, guys. It's a scary look. Or 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. I mean, it could be the end of something big. I'm not going to stretch and say that right now, right this second, but I'm ready for it. And I would expect this wave coming to your chart either now or after one more clip of the high. So be prepared. Don't let the social media, regular news media hype, everything's bullish news get in your head. Stay level-headed. Be ready for anything. If you guys need help on Elliott Wave, come into Discord. Check it out. You got a 4-day free trial. I'd love to see you in there. Check out Blowfin. Take advantage of it. Try them out as an exchange. They're no KYC. I only trade on no KYC exchanges because I'm a savage like that. And Blowfin is my #1 exchange that I trade on. Take advantage of those promos. Everything's pinned in the link in the description or in the first comment down below. Drop a follow on Instagram. Instagram's down there as well. All right, trade safe, everyone. Love you. It's kind of a long video. Sorry about that. See you in the next one. Peace.